Welcome to a city waking up among the clouds at the peak of history. While watching the modern face of 2026, you feel an ancient soul on the other side. With a population exceeding 765,000, Afyon is more dynamic today than ever. And this dynamism comes to life in colorful houses between narrow streets. Every door you touch draws you into centuries-old stories. You hear the whisper of the wind as you climb the castle, the city's most famous structure. When you reach the peak, all the glory of Afyon is spread beneath your feet. This glorious past is connected to the future in the modern campuses of the university. Young minds are rebuilding the city with the technology of 2026, because these lands are the legacy of heroes burning with the love of independence. In every corner of the museum, you feel that unforgettable spirit of the Great Offensive. While our glorious flag waves on one side, peace surrounds the city on the other. Felt making, one of the livelihoods of the people, turns into art in master hands. Marble, the white gold of the city, is exported to the world from giant quarries. These hard stones represent the patience and strength of the people of Afyonkarahisar. While wandering in local markets, the sincerity of the people warms your heart. The most famous flavor you encounter when you follow the scent, Afyon Sucuk. While tasting your sucuk on one side, you learn the secrets of flavor on the other. This feast is completed with the soft texture of world-famous cream. And every variety of Turkish delight is etched in your memory as a sweet souvenir. Thermal hotels offer service with the luxury of 2026 for those seeking healing. As your soul rests with the warmth of the water, all your fatigue evaporates. Transportation facilities are like a bridge connecting the city to everywhere in the world. At this point where roads intersect, every journey leads to a new discovery. Time stands still in this city, which is beautiful by night and by day. The resilient and dignified attitude of the people is hidden in tea conversations. Agriculture and livestock continue to be the city's greatest strength in 2026. Poppy fields, the symbol of Afyon, stretch to the horizon like a purple sea. You find the most vivid forms of local culture in that unique joy at weddings. The Gastronomy Museum carries the city's flavor heritage to future generations. You go into the depths of history in the mysterious rock tombs of Phrygian Valley. While examining symbols thousands of years old on one side, you witness history. Sports and youth investments made Afyon a sports center in 2026. You feel the balance of the ecosystem in the unique nature of Lake Eber. Every marble block turns into the soul of the city in the hands of an artist. Science and technology open new horizons for the children of Afyon. The steam of freshly baked bread is the most beautiful harbinger of the morning. The voices of children rising in modern parks reflect the hope of the city. The delight next to a coffee of 40 years of memory is the symbol of friendship. Trade and industry made Afyon the shining star of the region in 2026. The peace of spirituality resonates under the domes of historical mosques. You witness how time stands still in the oldest buildings of the city. The smell and colors of spices revitalize the spirit of the market. 2026 shopping trends live in harmony with the traditional texture. Heroic stories live not only in books, but in these monuments. Technology has become the biggest helper of the farmer in the field. The colors behind the castle as the sun sets resemble a painting. While walking by the Akarçay, the sound of water accompanies you. Kilim woven stitch by stitch tell the patience and art of the people. Health infrastructure is strong enough to heal the whole region in 2026. New chefs are being trained to carry Afyon cuisine to the world stage. Keşkek, one of the registered flavors, is a complete feast dish. Factories running with green energy, produced by protecting the city's nature. Heroic stories told by grandmothers shed light on new generations. Knowledge meets the speed of the future with the wisdom of the past. Melowy culture is the deepest part of Afyon's spiritual atmosphere. The sound of the ney is a breath of peace echoing on the rocks of the castle. The heart of intercity roads beats here. Transportation is much faster now. Marble takes the most elegant form of modern art in galleries. While watching the valley from the sky, you find yourself in a fairy tale. The warmth of poppy seed buns is indispensable for your breakfasts. Life is much easier in Afyon in 2026 with smart city applications. The hammer sounds ringing in the coppersmith's bazaar are the rhythm of tradition. The story of old trains is hidden in the silence of the railway museum. Forests just outside the city are an escape point for nature lovers. Protection of natural life is the top priority of 2026 Afyon. Greenhouses heated with geothermal energy provide production even in winter. Youth centers bring technology and socialization together. The healing of bath culture combines with the warmth of marble. Refreshing sherbets are the sweetest remedy for hot summer days. Theater and art are like lights that add color to the city's evenings. The Victory Monument keeps the spirit of independence alive in the heart of the city. The dairy industry is at world standards with 2026 technology. Friendships in coffee houses are the basis of the city's social fabric. The enthusiasm in the stands is the passion of the people for events. The crunch of the bukme is the most delicious sound of culinary culture. Doors opening to the sky bring Afyon even closer to the world. Hands joined in festivals show the unshakable unity of the city. The sun setting over the marble mountains paints the city in gold. IT and software are at the center of Afyon's 2026 vision. A child's smile is the sweetest and truest data of this city. Local media, the voice of the city, reflects events in all their reality. Small details make life more comfortable in 2026 Afyon. Imagine the eyes looking at the valley from these windows thousands of years ago. Tradition and the future are intertwined in the pastures of Afyon. Safety and order are the guarantee of the city's peaceful life in 2026. Details in silver craftsmanship reflect the aesthetic sense of the people. Knowledge growing in silence is the city's greatest capital. Bridges connect not just two sides, but also the past and the future. Healthy living has become the priority of Afyon residents of all ages in 2026. You find all the sincerity of the city in the steam of a glass of tea. While walking on its most famous streets, the rhythm of the city beats in your heart. Every sunset salutes once again the victories won on these lands. 2026 data shows that Afyon is one of the most important centers of the future. With its historical texture and modern face, Afyonkarahisar is waiting for you. Thank you for being with us on this journey of discovery.